Did you know the average American driver spends between $2,000 and $3,000 every year on gasoline? Every single year, millions of drivers automatically pull into the biggest and most expensive fuel stations because they believe premium brands somehow contain special gasoline. But here is the shocking part. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, much of the gasoline sold across the country actually originates from the same regional refineries and distribution terminals before individual companies blend in their own additive packages. In many cases, the base fuel is nearly identical before each company adds its own detergent package and additives. That means some of the cheapest fuel stations on the road are delivering fuel that's surprisingly close in quality to the expensive brands, while saving you hundreds of dollars every year. In this video, I'm going to uncover 5 cheap fuel brands everyone ignores that are absolute engine-saving gold mines. Let's dive in. Number 5. Murphy USA. Most people walk right past Murphy USA while heading into Walmart without realizing they're looking at one of the biggest fuel bargains in America. You will often notice Murphy USA selling gasoline anywhere from 5 to 20 cents cheaper per gallon than nearby competitors, which means a driver filling a typical 15-gallon tank could save $3 to $6 per fill-up. Over the course of a year, that can easily add up to more than $200 for the average commuter. Many drivers assume cheaper prices mean lower quality fuel, but Murphy USA sources fuel from major regional suppliers and follows strict quality standards. In fact, many Murphy locations also participate in the top-tier detergent gasoline program, helping reduce harmful carbon deposits on fuel injectors and intake valves. The company also experiences high customer turnover because of its Walmart locations, meaning underground storage tanks are frequently replenished. Faster fuel turnover generally reduces the chances of gasoline sitting in tanks for extended periods. Another advantage is convenience. You can combine grocery shopping and refueling in one stop while taking advantage of rewards programs that lower fuel costs even further. If your local Murphy USA is busy, well-maintained, and receives regular fuel deliveries, then it can be one of the smartest places to save money without sacrificing quality. Number 4. ARCO. ARCO has spent decades building a reputation for low prices, but unfortunately, it has also become one of the most misunderstood fuel brands in America. Many drivers assume cheap automatically means poor quality. In reality, that's simply not how the fuel industry works. All gasoline sold in the United States must meet strict federal and state quality specifications before it ever reaches a service station. ARCO purchases fuel through the same refining and distribution network used by many larger fuel companies. The real difference comes from the additive package, not the gasoline itself. In standardized ASTM engine testing, ARCO's modern detergent additives have been shown to reduce intake valve deposits by up to 95% compared with non-certified discount fuels. Add to that the fact that many ARCO stations are high-volume locations with rapid fuel turnover, meaning fresher gasoline is constantly replacing older inventory. The company's lower prices are largely the result of reduced operating costs, efficient business practices, and historically lower credit card transaction expenses, instead of inferior gasoline. If you choose a clean, busy, and well-maintained ARCO station, it means you are getting reliable fuel while saving 10 to 25 cents per gallon, which can easily add up to more than $200 a year for the average driver. That's exactly why ARCO remains one of America's most overlooked fuel bargains. Number 3. Costco gasoline. If you still think Costco is only a place to buy groceries in bulk, then you are missing one of the biggest fuel bargains on the road. Every year, Costco sells billions of gallons of gasoline. That makes it one of the largest fuel retailers in North America. Thanks to its membership-based business model and massive purchasing power, its stations often charge 10 to 30 cents less per gallon than nearby competitors. For someone driving around 15,000 miles per year, those savings can easily exceed $250 annually, and many members recover the cost of their membership through fuel savings alone. But the real surprise is not just the price, it's the quality. Costco gasoline meets top-tier detergent standards, meaning it contains a higher concentration of cleaning detergents, including advanced deposit control additives commonly based on polyethylamine chemistry that are designed to prevent injector clogging, intake valve deposits, and combustion chamber carbon buildup. These are the same types of detergent technology used by premium brands such as Shell V-Power, Chevron with Techron, Exxon Synergy, and Mobil. Costco stations also serve thousands of vehicles every day, so fuel rarely sits in underground tanks long enough to degrade. The result is a combination of fresh gasoline, premium-level detergents, and lower prices that makes Costco one of the smartest places to fuel almost any modern vehicle. Number 2. Sinclair. Most drivers recognize Sinclair by its famous green dinosaur, but very few realize it's one of the oldest and most respected fuel brands in America, with a history dating back to 1916. The core of Sinclair's consumer value proposition lies within its proprietary DinoCare engine cleaning additive formulation, which is a precision-engineered multi-detergent blend introduced to mitigate the severe internal degradation caused by modern direct injection systems. This specific fluid compound contains 3 highly specialized surface-active agents that work systematically to minimize combustion chamber carbon deposits, eliminate fuel injector clogging, and optimize intake valve operations. Peer-reviewed automotive research indicates that fuel treated with DinoCare can recover lost engine performance, reduce tailpipe emissions by up to 20%, and maximize overall fuel economy metrics by nearly 4% compared to standard base EPA gasoline. Like many major brands, Sinclair also receives its base gasoline from the same regional fuel terminals as more expensive competitors, before blending in its own proprietary additive package. Drivers can frequently find Sinclair fuel 5 to 15 cents cheaper per gallon, which can result in annual savings of well over $100 for the average commuter. Combined with high-quality detergents, competitive pricing, and a reputation built over more than a century, Sinclair proves that you don't need to pay premium prices to give your engine premium protection. Number 1. Quick Trip. Quick Trip may not have the nationwide recognition of some larger fuel brands, but among experienced drivers and automotive enthusiasts, it has earned a reputation for combining competitive fuel prices with outstanding operational standards. The company operates more than 1,000 locations across multiple states and is widely praised for clean facilities, modern pumps, and consistent customer service. One reason Quick Trip stands out is its emphasis on station maintenance. Clean fuel dispensers, properly maintained underground storage systems, and frequent equipment inspections all help reduce the risk of contamination reaching your fuel tank. Because Quick Trip locations experience extremely high customer traffic throughout the day, that's why fuel turnover remains exceptionally high, meaning gasoline is regularly replenished before it has time to age. Many locations also offer top-tier detergent gasoline, which helps to reduce carbon deposits that can negatively affect injector spray patterns and combustion efficiency over thousands of miles. Automotive experts often point out that a well-maintained station is just as important as the brand name itself, and Quick Trip consistently scores highly in customer satisfaction surveys for cleanliness and reliability. When you combine fresh fuel, premium-level detergent standards, excellent station maintenance, and prices that often undercut larger competitors, the bottom line is, stop letting big-budget oil commercials convince you that price equals quality. Look for the top-tier seal at these ignored discount brands. Save your hard-earned cash and keep your engine running like new. If this data-driven breakdown saved you some money at the pump, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more real-world automotive engineering secrets, and drop a comment below. I will see you in the next video.